If you are watching this video, your washing machine must be leaking all over the floor. Or maybe your dishwasher has quit washing. Or your stove is not cooking anymore. You need fast service by trained professionals. So, you were searching online. We are glad you found us, because we can help. We can provide you with fast, professional service at an affordable price. We believe in customer satisfaction and have years of experience. And we are licensed and insured. Don't wait any longer. Just give us a call, and we will be there right away and get it fixed as quickly as possible.